Welcome to the historic Sponge Docks in Tarpon Springs, Florida. It is one of the best scenic attractions of the Tampa Bay area. Today I decided to take a bike ride up the Dodecanese Boulevard. Dodecanese means 12 islands. Ignore the shadow you see there. The people are friendly and engaging. I had several conversations about the Greek islands. I'm from Rochester, New York, which is another huge Greek population. So we had a lot of festivals, and I've been a chef most of my life, so really love Greek food, Mediterranean style food. The sponge docks was very interesting. I bought several sponges since I've been there. I found out that the sponge is actually animals, and there are basically two kinds. There's a freshwater and there's a saltwater. So Tarpon Springs has a freshwater variety, which the guy's been diving since 1800 to gather these. And when the guys come back, they were hungry, so the restaurants popped up. And with such exquisite cuisine, the tourists found out about it. And lo and behold, this is what happened. It became very historic, as you can see. Docks, ships, people, tourists, everybody comes here. Funny note, guy bought, I forgot how many millions of land here. Actually, it saved 40 for 25 cents an acre. And this was one of the, Tarpon Springs was included in that. Have all that in the description, but enjoy the ride.